Welcome. I'm going to do a quick review of the Jeda spacer. It was, I believe, $15 for the spacer and then $10 shipping. I got it, there was a time that there was a $10 coupon, so it was basically free shipping. I think $25 for this is a little bit expensive, but for $15 I went ahead and got it. It's going to make my life easier. You can see right here, this is the typical setup from Tesla. There's not a whole lot of space there, and my cell phone, I have an iPhone with an OtterBox, and that does not fit. There's no way for me to get that on the charger and have it sit there. It just doesn't work. So I ordered the spacer from Jeda. This plastic piece just slides off. Pop it to the side, it pops off. And I don't have the second one hooked in yet. I'm actually going to do that today as well because of the other product that I got to do a review on. It came from Basner. But this is the Jeda spacer. So, what you do is it just slides on just like that little plastic piece from the factory. So pull this up, set it on here. Keep in mind I'm doing this one-handed, but it should just slide over into place. And it fits very nicely. Nice and flush on both ends, and then you hook your wires in as normal, but it raises them up. So now, look how much room is back here now. I'm not going to go ahead and put the second one in at this time because I want you guys to see how this is going to look. So I'm going to replace the factory mat. I'm going to replace the factory cover. Again, trying to do this one-handed. I'm going to have to set you guys down. Let's put you up here. There we go. Slides into place. Fits on there nicely. It looks OEM. You can't really tell the difference here between having the spacer and not having the spacer. It still lifts all the way up and stays. And now, look how much extra room is back here. It sticks out further. You've got more space behind it, and I can now slide my iPhone in place. And da-da-da-da. Is it going to focus? I don't think it's going to focus. But if you can see up here, the iPhone is actually charging. I don't know that that's going to focus. Let's do... Wonderful. Okay, so that is the Jeda spacer. It is a lifesaver. The phone slides right back off again. You can put it right back on again. It is charging. You can see up here in the corner, it is charging. So yeah, Jeda spacer. Totally worth $10. Everything still closes up just like it should, and it's perfect. It is a fabulous solution to an iPhone first world problem.